In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share a file from Google Drive using Viber, whether it's a document, a photo, a video, or even a folder. This simple process will allow you to share your files with anyone in just a few straightforward steps. First, let's navigate to Google Drive. You can do this either by opening your preferred browser and heading to the Google Drive website, or by launching the Google Drive app on your mobile phone. If you're unfamiliar with the app, it's the one with the triangular icon that's usually pre-installed on Android devices and easy to download for iOS. Once you have Google Drive open, go ahead and locate the file you want to share. This could be anything from a document to a video or an entire folder. Make sure you take a moment to ensure you've selected the right file. You don't want to accidentally send the wrong item, especially if it's something personal or confidential. Once you've found your file, the next step is to get the shareable link. On your computer, right-click the file. If you're using your phone, a long press might be required instead. This action will prompt a menu with several options to pop up. You'll want to click on Get Link. A new window or dialog box will appear, displaying your link and various sharing settings. Here, you can adjust the settings to suit your needs. For simplicity and to ensure that others can access the file without any hassle, choose the option Anyone with the link. This way, the link will be accessible to anyone you share it with, regardless of whether they have a Google account. Once you've adjusted the settings, go ahead and copy the link to your clipboard. Most devices will have a copy link button or option to make this easy. Now it's time to open Viber. You can use either the mobile app or the desktop application depending on your preference. Viber is recognizable by its purple icon with a white phone receiver inside a speech bubble. Once you've launched the app, head to the chat or group where you'd like to share your file, whether it's a friend, family group, or work colleagues. Viber makes it simple to stay connected. In the chat box, paste the Google Drive link you previously copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply tapping in the text field on mobile and selecting Paste from the pop-up menu. After you've pasted the link, simply hit send. It's that simple. The receiver or group will now receive your message and they can just click the link to access the file directly from Google Drive, and there you have it. A quick and efficient way to share files from Google Drive using Viber. Feel free to share this method with others who might find it useful.